Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Yardi Voyager tutorial. Everything you need to know. Yardi Voyager is a powerful web-based property management and accounting platform trusted across the real estate industry. Whether you're handling leasing, maintenance, or accounting, Voyager can help streamline operations and boost efficiency. It's modular, meaning it adapts to residential, commercial, or mixed use properties, and you can even book a demo on their official site to see if it fits your needs. For training, licensed users get access to Yardi's Client Central, which offers on demand courses, webinars, and videos. There are also independent consultants and guides like the Galb Group Academy, or Saxony partners for deeper insights. To get started, assess your role, focus on the modules most relevant to you, take advantage of training resources, and practice in a test environment to reinforce learning. By combining these tools, you'll be well on your way to mastering Yardi Voyager. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.